crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making chicken crunchy, the KFC style or maybe Maryland style. We have chicken drumsticks, which are about half a kg. Then onto the chicken we add the spices. This is dry garlic powder, then we add ginger, just a little bit. You don't want it to be so strong in the food, in the chicken, sorry. Of course, my favorite, paprika. I'm not measuring the quantity, as I'm putting as per my preference, so you can opt to use your preference. Then we have garam masala, just a bit. If you put too much, the food will be too spicy. Then of course, my other favorite is thyme. We add a little bit of thyme and a bit of oregano. And of course, salt to taste. And mix the ingredients. Ensure it gets into the chicken. You can choose to use any spices of your choice, or you can use just salt, ginger and garlic if you don't want any spices, or you can even use the herbs only, depends on your preference. Cover it for a few minutes with cling film to allow it to marinate. You can do as less as 30 minutes, or you can give it like 2 hours, or if you prefer, you can do it overnight. It depends on how long you want to take for the marination. As the drumlets are marinating, we prepare the other ingredients. This is all-purpose flour. You add some salt to taste. I also added some white pepper and paprika. I don't want to put a lot so that it's not too much. Minutes later, and we are ready for the next step. As you can see, the marination is even and it has mixed well. So we add plain yogurt and mix. We now coat the chicken with the flour. Shake off the excess flour so that it does not create a lump. Repeat the process for all of them. You're now all coated, ready for cooking. As you can see, don't use too much all-purpose flour to avoid wastage, because like now I will not be using this quantity. the chicken in preheated oil. And now turn the other side. You can see crunchy and brown. But I reduced the heat, cooking at low heat so that it can take some time to cook evenly before you remove. Let's give it more time to cook. As you can see, our chicken is all ready. If it's not having blood stains, then it means it's cooked on the inside. I also like the slimmer drumsticks so that I am certain they cook on the inside also. Let's see, it's already crunchy, yummy. As you can see, our chicken is ready and the other batch is cooking. You can see my drumsticks are ready. We are just about to taste. See, very nice, crunchy, very well cooked. Let us now taste. Delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Keep it here for weekly videos.